As a retailer, you know it's becoming much more difficult to engage your customers in your store. You've always got something new right around the corner, whether it's new products, big sales, or promotions, and still it just seems like everyone is less and less interested. Why is this? Well, it's probably because things like posters and flyers are everywhere. No matter how eye-catching or interesting your poster may be, people are just unaffected because of the hundreds they see every day. Now, these posters and flyers cost you a healthy sum to make, and if they're not offering you a good enough return on your investment, are they really worth it? Think about it. You pay hundreds of dollars to designers and print shops every time a new product comes out or it's time for a new sale. It's probably starting to feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel by now, spending huge amounts on posters and flyers without customers even showing a hint of interest. What if there was a better way, a quicker way, a less costly way? You need something that makes your life easier and grabs your customers' interest in a moment. We've got something we think can help. Something that can solve all these problems and do much more for your business. The eFlin Kiosk. These kiosks are designed from the ground up for the very purpose of engaging your customers. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to deliver an incredible experience. Each kiosk is equipped with a beautiful large display that really catches attention and makes a dramatic impact. The displays are available in 55-inch and 42-inch models with full 1080p HD. A powerful custom built-in computer is housed within the kiosk and runs the latest edition of the Windows 8 operating system. We've also developed very sophisticated software to make managing your kiosk as simple and user-friendly as possible. These kiosks can show your posters, slideshows, videos, and presentations in the most remarkable way. We've also worked with some amazing graphic designers to create professional poster templates that you can customize on your own. Now, instead of spending hundreds on printers and designers, you can display a beautiful poster at your retailer literally in minutes. We believe that in-store advertising should be under your control and shouldn't be so difficult, expensive, and just plain annoying. That's why we designed the eFlin Kiosk, to make it simpler, less costly, and even fun. To find out more about eFlin kiosks, such as specific models or prices, and more about how they can help your business, visit www.eflin.com.